Okay, in this video, I want to quickly go through how to find affiliate products to promote. Now, let's start with internet marketing related and home business and make money online related affiliate products. Okay, so what I do to find these types of products is, first of all, I go to muncheye.com, and this is where you can find the latest launches. As you can see, they're sorted by date here. So today being January the 1st, or actually it's actually December 31st right now, but tomorrow is January the 1st, and you can see the launches tomorrow, and then January 2, 3, and so on. Okay, so you can basically pick and choose the products you want to promote here. I also go to JVZoo, and again, this is mainly for internet marketing related products. You could see the top sellers of the day, the top sellers yesterday, and the past 7 days, and the past 30 days. Okay, and also on JVZoo, what I do is I do a search for products too. So if I'm looking for something related to, say, list building, or something related to CPA, or how to make money with surveys or stuff like that, I put in those keywords here and I do a search for those types of products. Okay, another network that's great for finding internet marketing related products is the Warrior Plus. Okay, you just go to the affiliate section and click on offers, and you will find some offers here. Okay, and I've sorted it by launch date, but you could also sort it by sales and conversions. Okay, and again, you could just type in a keyword if you're looking for a more specific type of product. Okay, now let's go to ClickBank here, and this is not just for internet marketing related products. You could find all types of niches here. So if you're not in the internet marketing niche, highly recommend you go to ClickBank. Okay, and you could just go to the affiliate marketplace here, and it's not just digital products here, it's also physical products that you can promote, like supplements. And as you can see here, this is all the different categories. There's employment, games, green products, health and fitness, home and garden, parenting, politics, spirituality, new age, sports, and so on. Okay, so let's just take a look at health and fitness, since that is the biggest niche out there. And it comes up with over 1,500 results here. So there's over 1,500 health related products that you can promote.